friends, welcome to Shweta's Messy Kitchen, and today we are making coconut laddoos. For that the ingredients are coconut powder 250 grams, condensed milk 300 grams, 2 tablespoons of desi ghee and pinch of elaichi powder. So let's get started. So first we'll take our ghee in the pan. And we'll melt this, and now we'll add our coconut powder into it and we'll stir it on a very medium flame. We'll keep stirring for 2 minutes. Now, when the nice aroma starts coming, we'll add our elaichi powder and mix it well, and we'll switch off the flame and let it cool down, and then we'll add our condensed milk. Now this coconut has completely cooled down, and now we'll add the condensed milk into it, and now we will start mixing it. So friends, as you can see, ये मेरा बिल्कुल एक डो के शेप में आ गया है in the binding consistency. So now I'll make laddoos out of it. जो भी desired shape आपको चाहिए, size चाहिए, आप उसमें करके, and then I've taken this powder. We'll roll this up in the powder, coconut powder, and start plating. Similarly, we'll do all the laddoos like this. And start plating. So friends, coconut laddoos are ready. Do try this simple and easy recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, Shweta's Messy Kitchen. Thank you.